Like evolution.
Complicated.
Doctors.
Conflict.
Catholic.
Church.
Interesting.
Introspection.
Compatible.
There was a negative connotation between science and religion, but they actually work together. If people were more educated on this gap, some ethical issues could be avoided.
Science is answering the question, how did something get there? But it can't answer the why. It's not what it was designed to do.
Religion is dealing with, different sets of beliefs, and I don't think that science is there to question those beliefs. I think science is definitely, based upon curiosity, of course, and then you go and base it upon well-tested evidence, and, you go out there and you want to, test those theories and have sound evidence. So I definitely don't think that they need to question one another.
I don't think science goes against religion, because I think the reality of it is that God created religion. When we learn through science that most things tend toward chaos, like things just naturally turn toward chaos. You know what I mean? Like when you dump a bucket of paint on the ground, you can't plan exactly where it's going to go. It all just kind of splatters wherever it's going to go into this kind of mess of chaos. But what God teaches us is that God is that force that creates some kind of order in our lives. And I think it's really beautiful that science and God don't have to answer the same questions, that science can prove things for us, but there are things that are beyond our proof.
In a recent study, only 21% of people believe that science and religion work together.
Here at Benedictine College, we tell our students that if they have a question that may intersect faith and reason, and they ask it to a science teacher, for example, the science teacher is going to say, I can tell you how things work, okay, but I can't tell you why things work.
They'll go into some degree of explanation for some of that sound science, but we have set curriculum for evolution, and we know what we need to teach based on scientific theories, and so we kind of stay close to that, and we follow those guidelines. And it's just like I teach in the classroom. It's I'm not I don't have the authority or the credentials to teach religions.
In the case of Leah Lee, the medical staff did not take the effort to understand her religion and language, further causing a divide. Leah Lee was in a coma for 26 years because of this issue, which should have been avoided by taking the time to learn about her position and beliefs.
Definitely. I think, people are definitely obsessed about human evolution and don't understand that evolution is in all organisms and what that entails and how that works, especially with like medicine and other things like that.
Knowing a patient's beliefs can greatly increase empathy and improve patient care. Science and religion work together to answer two different questions: why and how. Take every day to learn about what's around you, because you never know when someone's life is on the line.